Hello everyone, and welcome to your daily movement session. Today, we're going through a fantastic standing workout that you can do every single day to improve your core strength, balance, mobility, and flexibility. No equipment needed, just you and a little bit of space. This is perfect for the morning to wake up your body, as a midday break from sitting, or to wind down in the evening. The goal here isn't to get super sweaty, but to connect with your body and feel amazing. Are you ready? Let's get started. We'll begin with some gentle neck rolls to release any tension. Stand tall, relax your shoulders, and slowly drop your chin to your chest. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently roll your right ear towards your right shoulder. Feel that nice stretch along the side of your neck. Hold it here for a moment. Inhale and come back to the center. Exhale and let's go to the other side, left ear to left shoulder. Remember to keep your movements slow and controlled. We're just waking up the body. Let's do that one more time on each side. Back to center and to the left. Now bring your head back to neutral. Next up, shoulder rolls. Inhale and lift your shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale and roll them back and down, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Let's do a few of these. Inhale up, exhale back and down. This feels so good, especially if you've been sitting at a desk. It helps to open up the chest and correct that forward slump. Roll your shoulders forward. Inhale up, exhale forward and down. This might feel a little different, but it's great for full shoulder mobility. Now let's move on to some torso twists to warm up the spine and engage the core. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart with a slight bend in your knees. You can either place your hands on your hips or cross them over your chest. Keeping your hips facing forward as much as possible, gently twist your upper body to the right. Feel that rotation through your midsection. Come back to the center and twist to the left. We're not forcing anything here. It's all about gentle, controlled movement. Let's flow with our breath. Exhale as you twist. Inhale as you return to center. Right and center. Left and center. One more time each side. This is so important for spinal health and helps with digestion too. All right, let's get those hips moving with some hip circles. Imagine you're drawing a big circle with your hips. Feet are still about shoulder width apart. Start by pushing your hips to the right, then forward, over to the left, and back. Make the circles as big or as small as feels good for you. This is fantastic for lubricating the hip joint and releasing tightness in the lower back and hips. Let's do 2 more in this direction. Now let's switch and go the other way. Push your hips to the left, forward, right, and back. Keep your core lightly engaged to support your lower back. You might hear some little clicks or pops, and that's usually okay as long as there's no pain. Last circle here. Fantastic. Now for a little bit of balance and core work. We'll start with a simple knee lift. Stand tall and place your hands on your hips. Shift your weight onto your left foot. Find a spot in front of you to focus on. That will help with your balance. Slowly lift your right knee up towards your chest, aiming for a 90-degree angle. Hold it here for a moment. Feel your core muscles firing up to keep you stable. Slowly lower it back down with control. Now let's switch sides. Weight onto the right foot, lift the left knee up. Try not to lean back. Keep your spine long and tall. Let's do that again, maybe a little faster. Right knee up and down. Left knee up and down. This is not just about balance. It's an active core exercise. Right up and down. Left up and down. Great job. Let's build on that with a standing cat-cow. This is a great way to mobilize the spine. Stand with your feet hip width apart, knees slightly bent, and place your hands on your thighs. As you inhale, drop your belly, arch your back, and look forward, opening up your chest. This is our cow pose. As you exhale, round your spine, Tuck your chin to your chest and press your hands into your thighs. This is our cat pose. Let's flow between the two. Inhale, arch your back, open your chest. Exhale, round your spine. Feel the stretch between your shoulder blades. Do a few more at your own pace. This movement sequence is incredible for spinal flexibility and relieving back pain. One more full round. Inhale and arch. Exhale and round. Come back to a neutral, tall standing position. Time for some side body stretching with standing side bends. Stand with your feet together or hip width apart. Inhale and reach your right arm straight up to the sky. As you exhale, gently bend over to your left, reaching your right fingertips over. Feel a wonderful stretch all along the right side of your body, from your hip all the way up to your fingertips. Keep your chest open to the front. Inhale and come back up to center. Exhale, lower your arm. Let's do the other side. Inhale, left arm reaches up. Exhale, bend over to the right. Try to keep your weight even on both feet. Breathe into that stretch. Inhale back up and exhale down. Let's do one more on each side, maybe reaching a little further this time if it feels good. Right arm up and over. Next, we'll work on our balance again with some leg swings. You might want to stand next to a wall or a chair for a little support if you need it. Let's start by shifting our weight onto our left leg. Place your left hand on the wall for balance. Now, gently swing your right leg forward and backward. Keep the movement controlled. It's not about how high you can swing, but about maintaining a stable core and pelvis. This is great for hip mobility. Let's do a few more swings. 3, 2, 1. Now, let's switch sides. Weight on the right leg, find your support, and swing the left leg forward and back. Notice if one side feels different from the other. We're working on creating more balance in the body. 3, 2, 1. Now for a dynamic stretch for the hamstrings and lower back, the standing toe touch walkout. Stand at the back of your space. Inhale and reach your arms up. Exhale, hinge at your hips. Keep your back flat for as long as you can and fold forward. Bend your knees as much as you need to and let your hands touch the floor. Now, slowly walk your hands forward until you are in a high plank position. Your body should be in a straight line from your head to your heels. Hold it here for a breath, engaging your core. Now, slowly walk your hands back towards your feet. Keep your knees bent, hang heavy for a moment, and then slowly roll up to standing, one vertebra at a time, your head coming up last. Let's do that one more time. Walk your hands out to your plank, and walk your hands back in. Slowly roll all the way up. To finish, we'll do a nice quad stretch. Again, feel free to use a wall for support. Stand on your left leg. Grab your right foot or ankle with your right hand and gently pull your heel towards your glute. Try to keep your knees together and stand up tall. You should feel a stretch in the front of your right thigh. Don't arch your back. Keep your core engaged. Hold it here. Stand on your right leg, grab your left foot, and bring your heel towards your glute. Stand tall. Breathe. This is a great way to release tightness from walking or sitting, and gently release. A simple, effective daily routine to get your body moving and feeling good. You worked on your core, your balance, your mobility, and your flexibility, all while standing. Taking just 10 minutes a day for yourself like this can make a huge difference in how you feel, both physically and mentally. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you feel energized and ready for whatever comes next. If you enjoyed this, please give the video a like and subscribe for more daily wellness content. See you next time.